Guys, oh my god, before I even do the intro, I am obsessed with this hair. I can't take myself seriously. I've wanted a middle part, a bust down for the longest time, and finally I have done it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. When you don't even have a full bit on, and look at how amazing this hair looks. It's a 5x5 closure from Dyhair777. I'm gonna leave all the details down in the description box so that you guys can purchase and check out their website. And there's also a discount code. Oh my gosh, it's 22 inches. Oh my god, it's giving. I'm obsessed. I've been wanting a bust down for too long, and I'm so happy. Plus how it came out exactly how I wanted it. What lace, what lace, perfect. I'm so obsessed. So if you guys want to know how I installed it and how I got here, please keep watching the video and you get all the details. It was so easy. I say it was so easy, so keep watching. I'm going to put on this wig from Dyhair777. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. I'm super excited, and this one I know it's not going to take me long because it's a 5x5 closure and it's a bone straight. Finally, I'm going to do a middle bust down, bone straight. Wait a minute, this is how it comes, and I'm so excited. I know it's not gonna take long. One thing about 5x5, they're so easy to install because the lace is not too much, so it's only this part. So this is how the hair comes. It kind of has some baby hairs. I don't know if I'll put the baby hairs on, and it's bone straight. It's 22 inches. All the details, like I said, are down in the description box. So I just need to put foundation here and some powder and then install it. I'm hoping I'll be able to ace that bust down middle part because I've been looking forward to it, and I won't put any curls. It's just going to be completely bone straight. And it also has some, obviously, some clips on at the back, so if you want to adjust for it to be tight to your head, you can do that. Okay, so let me do that. The first thing I started doing was adding foundation to the lace, so I just added all over. Again, it's a 5x5 closure, so the lace is not too much, so it's very easy and quick to do. So that's what I'm doing here, just some foundation, and made sure that I have also added some to my wig cap so that they can all melt together. I mean, have you guys seen the melt of that wig in the beginning of this video? Oh my gosh, I'm so proud. I think this is my best work so far when it comes to installing wig. Like, I'm literally so obsessed with it. I'm in love with it. I decided to go for no baby hairs. Like I had said, I thought that was probably my plan. I usually don't go for baby hairs, and you can still see it turned out so amazing, bruh. So after I did that, I just pushed back all the hair, and then I proceeded to take my go-to big glue and sprayed. That's what I'm doing right now. I just sprayed enough amount, and then I took my fan. I need to get a blow dry because I still like the fan though, so I just dried it down using my fan, and I was making sure that I'm pushing back the hair, you know, the small like baby hairs, because I didn't want them to be on the way. Yeah, I did that, and then I went back in with the second round, dried it down. Once everything was dried, I tied the headband and then I proceeded to take my hot comb, and I was just spraying the got2b because I don't have the other glue, you know, the one that you use to lay the wig completely. So I just used my got2b, and I was spraying and then hot combing the hair. I had also added some heat protectant oil. That's what you're seeing there with a clear bottle. So make sure you add that to your hair so that you don't damage it. The hair is 100% human hair, as you guys already know. Yeah, so I did that throughout the whole hair, and I kept adjusting the heat on the hot comb. After about 10 or 8 minutes, I removed the band and I proceeded to cut the lace. It was so easy, y'all. I swear closures are so easy to install because you're cutting such like less amount of lace compared to frontals. So I just cut the lace. I added a little bit of glue where I felt like it needed, but I was removing first any excess glue that might have dried on myself or the hair. So I just added a bit of glue. Then after that, I went in with the hot comb for one last time, and then after that, once I was sure like no, it's okay, it's enough hot comb, I took my flat iron and just plugged it on, and I started flat ironing. Remember, the hair has heat protectant oil, so it was okay and perfect. So that's what I'm doing here. I just kept straightening it until I felt it has gotten to a point where it's so straight, exactly how I want it. The moment I did my makeup and I saw myself, I was like, it's over, it's over. This was before I added concealer to the partings. Actually, I didn't add any extra concealer. I just took my brush and any excess concealer that was there, I just placed it on the parting so that it can be more conspicuous. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's all I did. Like, I'm obsessed with this wig and like just how amazing it came out. I'm so proud of myself, and you guys deserve such a look. It's just giving me all the good vibes. Yeah, so that was the end, and you guys can see by the time I was done here, I was feeling myself. I'm talking about feeling myself. I was feeling myself so much. I was just taking a wet wipe to remove any excess concealer that might have gotten to the lace, and that was it. I just even started dancing. I was feeling myself so much. You can see how amazed I was with the wig. You see, it's so straight. Yeah, period. So that's how I achieved this body look. It looks so good. I am feeling myself. Oh my god, a bust down is what I've been needing. Just a bone straight bust down, because I don't feel like I ever want to remove it. It looks so good. So that's how I achieved it, guys. Make sure you go and purchase the hair, and you can do it at home. Clearly, as you have seen, I've done it by myself at home, so it's not difficult at all. Yeah, check out the links. Let me know what you think. What do you think about the hair? How do I look? Is it giving it's giving. I already know it's giving. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and shout out to Dyhair777 for partnering with me in today's video. Bye.